Have you ever encountered a Stack Overflow error while coding? It's frustrating, isn't it? If you face this issue, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle the problem of large return types in functions and how to manage them effectively. I completely understand how annoying it is when your code runs into a Stack Overflow error. It can feel like you've hit a brick wall, especially when you're trying to return large data structures. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Let's look at a specific case. One user shared their code that returns a large array from a function. They received a Stack Overflow error and figured out that the return type was too large for the stack. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore how to resolve this issue. So what causes a Stack Overflow error in this scenario? When a function returns a large data structure, it can exceed the stack size limit, leading to this error. Understanding this is crucial for finding a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you manage memory more effectively in your programs. To address the Stack Overflow issue, the user should modify the function to return a pointer instead of a large array. This way, the memory allocation will occur on the heap instead of the stack. Next, the user needs to allocate memory for the large array dynamically using the new keyword. This ensures that the array is stored on the heap. After allocating the memory, the user should return the pointer to the allocated array. This allows the calling function to access the data without causing a stack overflow. Finally, the user should remember to free the allocated memory after use to prevent memory leaks. This can be done using the delete keyword. Fun fact, did you know that the stack size limit can vary between operating systems? It's always good to be aware of these limits when coding. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to use a unique pointer to allocate the large array on the heap. This way, you avoid stack overflow issues. The unique pointer automatically manages memory, so you don't have to worry about deleting it later. Another approach is to use std_vector, which dynamically manages memory on the heap. This allows you to create a large 2D array without worrying about stack size limitations. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the vector type instead of array. This approach utilizes std_allocator, which allocates memory on the heap, avoiding stack overflow issues. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always check your stack size limits and consider using heap allocation for large data structures. This habit can save you from frustrating errors in the future. And there you have it. You now know how to handle large return types in functions without running into Stack Overflow errors. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.